Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to update Project Zomboid to Build 42. First, understand that Build 42 is currently in the unstable beta branch. It isn't the default stable release yet, so you have to manually switch to it. To start, open Steam and go to your library. Find Project Zomboid, then right-click the game title and choose Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, click the Betas tab. Here you'll see a drop-down labeled Beta Participation. From that list, select Unstable-Unstable Build. This tells Steam you want the beta branch where Build 42 is available. Once you select Unstable, Steam will begin downloading Build 42 files. Let the download finish. This can be several gigabytes because Build 42 is a large update that overhauls core systems and adds big features. After it finishes downloading, simply launch Project Zomboid as usual. When the game opens, you'll be running the Build 42 unstable version with the newest gameplay systems, animals, crafting, and more. A couple of things to keep in mind. Build 42 is still unstable and may crash or have bugs, and Build 41 saves are not compatible with Build 42. So you'll want to back up your old saves before switching. If you ever want to switch back to the stable release, which is Build 41, go back to the Betas tab and set the drop-down to None. Steam will re-download the stable files. And that's how you update Project Zomboid to Build 42. Thanks for watching.